So how do you triple click on the iPad? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, check out some other videos as well and subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So the triple click can be set up in the settings app where you need to head over to the accessibility section. Part of accessibility, so many things obviously, but one of the things that you need to click on is the accessibility shortcut. So it is almost entirely at the bottom. This is what it looks like, and this shortcut is basically triple clicking the power button on the iPad. And in this page, you get to decide what exactly is going to happen when you triple click the top button. It's called top button, but it's the power button to unlock the iPad. And if you click it three times, when you triple click it, right, you can see a bunch of different things that are going to appear. So you can select multiple different options. So if you select it to just one thing, then it's going to do that. But if you select multiple in here, it will then ask you which one you want to trigger, right? So you can set up a bunch of different things, then triple click the top button, and you'll get the selection page to, decide what is supposed to be triggered. So that's one thing you might have in mind. On the other hand, still part of the accessibility section, you can go to the zoom, which lets you zoom in on your iPad screen. And that's not like triple clicking. That's double clicking, but with 3 fingers. And that allows you to zoom in on the screen, zoom in and out, and do whatever you need. And while you have the zoom enabled, you can also triple click with 3 fingers, right? You do that and you get this menu, which is the zoom in menu, a filtering, and a controller menu. So as you can see, there are like different ways of initiating the triple click and more things which you might mean, but I tried to cover all of the possible options, so let me know if you had something else in mind, or if you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more so I can see you later in the next videos as well.